Linking and using Chime for Zelle is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. For linking your Chime account to Zelle, first of all, download the Zelle application or visit the Zelle website. Then create a Zelle account using your email address or phone number. And link your Chime spending account to Zelle by providing your account details. Now, verify your Chime account by following the provided instructions. For sending money with Zelle, you need to open the Zelle app or visit the Zelle website. Then, sign in to your Zelle account and select Send from the main menu. Now, enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Zelle account. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Now review the transfer details and confirm the transaction. The recipient will receive a notification to claim the funds sent via Zelle.